How to fix Instagram story blurry after upload on iPhone. So first thing to do is to make sure that our Instagram app is up to date. This is to avoid any possible bugs and errors. So go to App Store, search Instagram and update it. After this, open Instagram, and unfortunately, there is no way to edit a story after uploading. What we can do is to re-upload it after making some adjustments on the settings. So go to your profile tab, click on the three lines on the top of the screen, click on settings, go to account, and click on data usage. Make sure that the useless data is toggled off and this high quality upload is turned on. Now, if your photo is still blurry after this, you should try on uploading other picture. Maybe the file itself is the problem on why the upload is blurry. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.